Hey website creators, want to spice up your GoDaddy website builder site with custom code? Whether it's HTML, CSS or JavaScript for widgets or tracking, I will tell you how to add it safely and easily. So you need to log in into your GoDaddy account at godaddy.com and go to your dashboard. Scroll to Websites plus Marketing, click Manage next to your site, then select Edit Website or Edit Site to open the builder. Make sure you're on a business or commerce plan if adding JavaScript, as it's restricted on lower plans. In the builder, navigate to the page where you want your code. Click Add a section, search for HTML and select Add. A text box appears. Paste your custom HTML, CSS or JavaScript here, like a contract form embed. Or a drawing app widget. I added a form once, but test it first. Bad code can mess up your site. Adjust the section settings like title alignment or accent color and leave forced height blank for auto sizing. Click preview to test your code. If it breaks, use a backup or remove the code. That's pretty much it. You can click on the publish to make your changes live. If something's off, check for typos or contact the support. Questions, share below, like and subscribe and ring the bell for more web tips. See you next time.